love me. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hi guys!
Hey guys!
Today we're gonna unbox a box.
Wait, it's upside down.
We're gonna unbox a delivery.
Yeah, we got it right now.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go get scissors.
This is mine. My scissors.
Let's open it. It's so hard, right?
And hard.
How did the mailman tape it very hard?
Yeah, it's almost killed myself. Whoa.
Guys, actually
Sorry.
we bought a drone, and here it is.
Pull it! Pull it!
Hold it.
This is really old.
I think they kept it for coolness. Hey, hold up, hold up. Whoa, my God.
For 14 years old, but we don't need it. I'm fine.
Yeah, we don't mind. Let's use our handy thing. Guys, this is too... Oh my God, Kuya, you almost let the scissors drop.
It also killed my feet.
Almost.
If it did, I'll kill you.
It didn't. Oh, okay. Okay, we got the package. I got the box.
Roll it!
Okay, we got it. Okay. Wow. It's called PARROT.
It's just because it's upside down. And then
No,
the
it's
back,
not upside down.
in the back, PARROT, MAMBO.
There's also a VR. Oh my God.
There's a VR. See, there's a VR thing.
And a controller.
Another box.
A box and box and box and box. It's getting cool, right?
It's also Bluetooth.
Wait, no, Kuya, you have to open it like that.
If I break it, someone is gonna kill me. Like my mom.
Sorry, guys. Drinks. It will be absolutely hard to open this box.
Can you tell mom to open it?
No, she's cooking adobo, my favorite. Hold up, wait, no. Here.
Oh, wait,
We're so dumb. You didn't even saw it. We're really, really blind. Don't tear off the thing.
Mom, can you help us?
Wait, let me.
Oh, you start unboxing that?
Yup.
No, wait.
We already removed the thing.
Wait. What is this? Did you show it to them?
Yeah. Oh,
It's PARROT.
It's a parrot.
Mom, that's the
Parrot,
back.
MAMBO.
That's
what's
the
this?
back.
It's a drone.
There's also a VR and a controller.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get to the bottom.
I can use this to record.
Yeah, wait. Oops. Sorry.
Careful, Mom.
I think it's from here.
It's not.
Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second.
Ah, okay. Oh, here's instructions.
But we don't need instruction.
No, we
Look
really...
at this.
The other people say no need instruction.
Wow.
Wow.
What the frick is
Look
that?
at
So you show them one by one. What is that?
this is the one that can
Give me the
hold the...
instruction.
It broke.
Where's the instructions?
It broke, Mom.
No, it's not. Is it?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
So here's instructions. My mom will do
So
it.
here's the piece.
And this is how you hold the camera. You have to stick this in the drone. And
You have-
this,
See, one by one, you have to tell them
and
what is
this,
inside the box.
and this is a VR goggle.
Okay, you do it by yourself.
Mom,
You need to charge it.
it's really broken.
Wow.
How to put the wing?
So this part can open here. You see this? Yeah. You have to put it down
the
and it
controller.
opens. Here is the thing.
Can I see?
Glass.
Let's do it.
It's
Just
like
remove this one. Later we will connect it.
Dad will fix it.
And it says Parrot in the front, if you can see it.
I love this controller.
Then, I need to remove.
This is VR. You can video it or something.
So
does it work?
first
We need the
you
app.
remove it,
Talk to them.
and there's a captive button in here.
Here's the remote.
I don't know what's the meaning of captive.
It's like a controller for gaming.
What does it say?
What does the fox say?
Push up. And this is how you put in. Okay, I'll go put in. Whoa, it's making my eyes
Hurt?
Yeah. And this is the controller for the thing, for the drone. Here's the A and the B button. This is the A, this is the B.
And here's the drone.
And these are the switch. Oh my god. It feels so cool. And it says Parrot in the white. Just press and hold.
You can connect that to the phone.
No.
Yeah, remember? Kudong did.
Here's a one.
No,
This
one
is
will not
one
work,
button. This is two button.
It broke before.
See? 1 and 2. And this is the up and down button. Here is the thing. This is where you control it. It feels so cool. This
This is my
never-
favorite. You know, Mom?
Oh,
Like recording.
and this is where you should charge it. Here. It's for like an Android.
But Mom, I need your phone to connect this.
Okay,
But we're recording.
but still, look at the switches. I mean the thing, I don't know. Look inside, it's so black. And I'm not racist to this
there any
little
screw
controller. And look,
Kuya.
Screw no.
there's a hole, a big giant hole here in the middle, in the center. Also, look at the buttons here. This is the aim button, and this is the shoot button. And this is where you swap your thing and the other thing. And this will be this is for moving, seeing around. This is for move. This is for the A button
what is
is
this?
for jumping. The B button is to remove the thing,
And then I'll put the,
the
camera,
prop
right, Mom?
in your thing, in your inventory. It's like that, and it's so cool. See? You can clearly see my
Guys,
eye.
look at this.
The ultimate drone. There's also a little camera
Does this even
here.
fit? Wait. Nope, I don't know. What
That's for the phone. Give me. I think it has to be under.
No, I don't think so. See, there's a camera included. See?
The camera looks so small. So I'm going to remove this bowl.
Look at this. Oh.
Will you eat now?
Yeah,
You finished there?
not
Nope.
yet.
Here's the camera, and then you attached it